show you a little bit of our integrated venting. So what we have here is we have some 3D printed, about 90% dense metal. We're actually blowing air through a channel just to kind of vent this part. This is actually for releasing air inside mold cavity. You can see our ping pong ball is definitely floating in the air. It's just creating just enough vent, just to kind of show you a little bit more specifically. You can see the air coming out through there. I'm just going to dry it out here so you can see we are talking about solid metal.
That's pretty cool.
Thanks for visiting.
Thanks for sharing.